Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we'll paint a sunset on this small canvas. I'm not great at it, but we'll try. And also talk about why it is important to be your authentic self for long term creative success. I consider myself to be an average painter, not a great one, but I enjoy it. Painting helps me relax by making me forget about other worries. And here is my cat, Toto, giving me company as I paint. I think he just wants to drink this water I'm using for cleaning brushes. He has attempted it already twice. So, when you create something authentic to who you are, you'll be more passionate about it. You'll feel a deeper sense of connection to your work, which can be energizing. This can help you stay focused and productive even when the creative process gets tough. And it do get tough after a while. Secondly, being yourself can help you stand out from the crowd. In today's saturated creative landscape, it can be hard to get noticed. However, when you bring your unique perspective and voice to your work, you're more likely to catch people's attention. So, I think whether you are creating art, music, writing, or content for social media, your authenticity will shine through if you are being yourself and make you stand out. Thirdly, being yourself allows you to build a genuine connection with your audience. People are drawn to authenticity and vulnerability. So, when you share your true self through your work, you'll be more relatable and more likely to connect with others on a deeper level. This can help you build a loyal following and create a sense of community around your work. Of course, being yourself doesn't mean you can't be inspired by others or try new things. Part of being true to yourself is being open to new experiences and ideas. But at the end of the day, your unique perspective is what will set you apart and help you achieve creative success. So don't be afraid to be yourself, embrace your quirks and passions, and create from the heart. My painting is ready. It's not great, but I am happy with it, and Toto approves it. So, all good. Bye.